What's up guys, Steve again for RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. Check out this. It's a 4-wheel trailer frame, like an old school trailer frame for the HM-01 hit and miss engine. Now, quickly go through the box and then we'll put it together and see what you get. But yeah, looks great. I originally had this motor before running. I'll leave the link up there so you can see it. But this is a little frame for it to sit on. I guess you can hook it up to something scale and look even better. But let's see what's in the box and we'll get building. Comes with an instruction manual on how to put it together. Got some hardware here. It does include a drill bit. Here we go. Wedged in there nicely. So it is like laser cut. You can see the Musa in there. Everything rolls nice. All metal construction. Does have like real timber here as well. In the back half, basically it just sits on the current frame, as you can see, the same width as this timber frame. Sits it up there and that's it. Now I guess the drill bit is you drill holes through the current frame. And that is also, when you buy this you get this little box that you put the electronics in. That should be sitting here as well. So I'll try to sort all that out and yeah, hopefully it all goes together pretty well. Let's just have a little look at the actual front here. It does have like a little ball hitch. So like you said, you could tie behind something really they would use back in the day, but I don't have anything like that. But at least it'd be nice to sit it on here. It'll look more scale. Let's not fuss around. Let's see how it goes together and I'll show you how it looks. Alright, basically, you can take the engine off the actual wooden frame or chassis if you like. But what I did, flip it upside down and mark the holes. Use a little Sharpie if you like. Put it in there and that was it. So basically, line everything up. Already drilled one in there and kind of snugged it down so you can hold it in place. Use the hardware that it includes and screw it in. It's pretty simple as that. So once that's all in, you can now, these move a little bit so you can kind of adjust them out. So it's flush with the outside of the frame there. Get your drill. Don't need to drill all the way through. And it's quite hard timber this, it's like a hardwood. And that's it. You go to town. Like I said, not much to it. Super easy. I'll do the other one there. Lock it in place and it's, there you go. That's all it is to it. Now, the front one here, all you've got to make sure is that this bracket here is in line with this cross member. And that's it. Simple. Same process as the rear one. I'll do that and let's see how she looks. And there you go. Bear in mind, there is a bolt that runs through this cross member, so if you go directly in the middle you might snag it. So my advice is to go a little bit forward or a tiny bit back and that's it. It rolls really nice and doesn't that look perfect? Just suits it to a T. Now all I need to do now is get rid of this wire and put this little box on here where to pre-drill the holes. And it does include 2 more screws for me to do that, which is great. So put that on around about there. And that's it. And there you have it. Look at that. Rolls really well. Nice range of movements. But yeah, really good. It rolls great. The table's not level here, you can see. Wanted to roll already. Look at that. There we go. So yeah, really nice movement. Really great quality as well, as you can see. It look really cool behind. As you can see, there's a little hole there, you can put it, attach it to something. But all self-locking nuts or nylon nuts. Great quality paintwork. Yeah, it looks good. As you can see, I attached the little box here. Only thing you need to find is a really small battery for the electronics, because, only need to find a small battery to fit inside this electronics box. Apart from that, it looks good. Put the wires in here, put a little couple of holes, and there we go. Just need this cable tie so it doesn't get caught up and everything, but yeah, I think it looks good. Alright guys, I'll leave the link up there, I'll find the video when I have this guy running previously, but I think links it up below if you want to go check it out. But yeah, thanks guys, see you in the next video, and hope you enjoyed it.